Hello my friends, I'm Sarah. Welcome to Grace in My Space. Today I have an outdoor update for you. Now when we purchased this home, we knew that it basically needed to be rebuilt. All the way from the septic tank being completely replaced to taking out an in-ground pool that had been filled in with dirt, starting from scratch outdoors. There's been no landscaping for years. Everything is overgrown. It's a mess. And so we're just starting with some very simple organizational tactics and products that are going to help us feel a little bit more like we can live in the space until we fully do everything that we need to make it our haven once again. So I'm going to take you outside in a minute, but first I want to show you what I got. It's going to make all the difference in the world. Do you see how massive this is? This is going to be amazing. So today's sponsor is Yita Home, and we are going to be showing you the 120-gallon deck box. It's resin and it's massive. So we're going to do a quick assembly and then I'm going to show you what we're going to use it for. Normally I would be assembling this outside since it's going outside, but it's cold. Now there's a few different color options that you can choose. I obviously went with this kind of taupey white, and I think it's going to be really pretty. Alright, we're going to do some quick assembly that includes some beautiful white gloves if you would like to use them. I'm just going to go without. We're going to get started. Up. I love a good label. Before I assemble the top, let's take a gander at how big this sucker is. I'm 5'9". That's a big box. And there we have it. So very simple. As the latch, if you'd like to put a lock on it. Let's get this outside. Now we still have a lot of work to do down here, but these cushions, they finally have a home. These cushions go to 2 lounge chairs, and I can fit all the cushions in here with no issues, plus room to spare. This is going to keep them so protected and really a pretty element to put out on the deck, or maybe next year we'll pop it down onto the patio. For now, it's going to keep them nice and dry and mold free for the winter. And I will link this exact box for you in the description, as well as some other color options and sizes. Stay tuned for so many more of our plans to come. I'll see you next time.